Hey VR gamers, this is Val, and that's my game name. And I'm developing a framework upon which I can build virtual reality games because virtual reality is my favorite modality. I even stopped playing World of Warcraft in favor of games like Orbis because it's just so compelling to be inside of a virtual world. So as you can see, my little game here doesn't look like much of a game, but what's important is actually I've been working with AI and learning so much to develop a framework on which I can then build any game, and I can use it as a package to import into a new project, and I have all of the groundwork built. It's called ValGamesCore, but it doesn't exist yet anywhere except here on my PC. So here's the deal. We can run, we can walk. It seems very snail-paced now. And we can toggle run with the left joystick button. Okay, and we can jump. That's cool. And importantly, we don't fall through the ground when we jump. In fact, what you're seeing here is these steps used to be how the ground was slanted. So at the point where I could no longer assume that ground was flat at zero, um, I made the ground slanted to make sure that we were actually detecting the actual ground. So we have those things. We also now, oh, I also added arm swinging. So this is inspired by Alicia, actually. And you can actually, like, I'm not holding any buttons. I'm just going to start swinging my arms. Yoo-hoo! And here I am running through the world. I actually do this a lot. I love actually jogging in place. I guess you can't see that part, but I'm just slowly, doop de doop de doo. Oops, I fell out of it. And yeah, I get all my daily steps sometimes playing VR games. Anytime I'm, pushing forward on the joystick to move, I'm also jogging. So that gets all my steps. It's very light and feels good. It's like having an Omni treadmill, but you just like rotate your body and jog. It feels real after a bit. You totally adjust to it and you feel like you're running through the world. So here's the latest. I have these crazy steps here. I don't even know how to do materials and colors yet, so this is really lame and I don't know how to line things up yet. They're fighting over which one should be the one displaying, so they're flickering, but you know what? I can climb them. Check this out. Grip. Where's the grip there? Grip, grip. Haha, we are climbing. So this is my latest thing. I can climb across the side. I can't climb the top, which is kind of my current attempt to not be able to climb the ground. Unfortunately, we are still able to climb the ground. And then when you want to get on top, you just kind of flip back. Woo, okay, that was weird. I think I started gliding for a sec. Ooh, I gave that away. I gave that away. Okay, let me get on top of the big one here. Okay, doop de doop de doo, doop de doop de doo. It's a long way up. Okay, here we are. Whoa, whoa, I fell. Ah, okay. Okay, this isn't great yet. Let's take our time. Up. Okay, I have this weird elevator effect when I reach the top of surfaces, but okay. And this is the big one. You can glide. So I'm gonna jump and then I'm gonna put my arms out to the sides with my palms down, just like as if I was an airplane. And we are gonna glide. And then I will go like this to adjust my up or down or tilting. Check it out. Woo! And we speed up if we go down, and then if we curve up a little, we slow down. And you can kind of whoop, slow yourself down and come and glide and grab a surface and get yourself back to the top. It has been such a fun process. I can't believe I'm this far with the locomotion in just a matter of, I think it's been less than 3 months now. So I want to just post a little bit of devlogs, I guess, to show progress uh, once in a while. But yeah, this is where we're at. And then here, okay, ready for some laughs? Here's some stuff that's not working. Okay, so we can glide. This is great. And we can come back. And so say I want to grab the wall now. Oh, I missed. Okay, sorry. Whoop. Hey, where the hell am I? I have stopped. I have gripped with my right hand. I am inside. I am inside the big step. I'm still holding it, and I can still like raise myself up and down as if I was holding the side of the block, but I'm holding the middle of the block. I can climb my way out, I think. Yeah, look, I'm on the outside now. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty goofy. And then the elevator effect, like I said. So ideally, I would like fling myself up and be on top. But the moment I like move my body into the block and let go, okay, that wasn't supposed to happen. Let's see. Let's see if I can duplicate it. Here we go. I'm inside the block. I let go of climbing, and now I'm like just elevatoring up. And yep, until I, hey, raise to the surface of the block. So that's another funny thing. These cubes here, sorry, these spheres here, they are actually just game objects to hold monobehavior scripts for now. That's all going to be integrated. I'll talk a little bit more about the architecture in another video, but I am doing this all data-based. So this is all using entities and dots in Unity. So game objects, your traditional, just add a sphere, don't exist in that world. So the things that do exist in my entity world, I have explicitly put them into a subscene where they now exist as entities, and I can manipulate them in my code. But as you can imagine, you can't just suddenly have everything existing. So these are some temporary workarounds so that I can still run scripts in the game object world, regular Unity, way of doing things. Until I can construct enough stuff so that I can do it all entity and data based. So, hey, I hope you've enjoyed this little look at what is possible. I may tilt my floor again at some point, but hey, that's where it's at. Stay tuned if you're curious, and let's make games.